Let's talk about them Bitcoin ETF news today. So what's happening, everyone? The Bitcoin ETF approval has been talk of the town lately, and it's been keeping a lot of people on the edge. So if you're interested in more content like this, be sure to smash that like button if you guys haven't already, because we are going to be looking at more crypto news today. Now, the big factor is crypto right now is really seeing like this sort of a downtrend after a bit of uncertainty if the spot Bitcoin ETF is going to get listed at all. And that's what's causing the biggest price drops. But as you see, issued additional comments on spot Bitcoin ETF applicants S1 form. More amendments are now expected tomorrow. And this is why I'm not that worried about it. I feel like that the SEC is making comments, what they could improve, what they could fix to get these approved. And Jim Cramer says Bitcoin is topping out. So when Jim Cramer says something, it's usually the reverse. And that's exactly what we're going to be seeing right now. Yesterday, Jim Cramer said Bitcoin is topping out and 50K is on the way because, well, that basically means if he says something, the opposite happens.
The bull market was canceled as a joke.
So yeah, he said that basically Bitcoin is over, but instead, usually the opposite happens. When we expect something, the exact opposite is what we see, and that's the good news about it. Like, we have been waiting for these massive bull runs for quite some time, actually. Bitwise, we know ETF investors care deeply about fees, and there's probably going to be no fees in that. So a lot of people that haven't known about crypto yet will end up buying it, which is definitely really, really good news for any type of crypto holders in that sense. Like, anyone interested in crypto is gonna get it at no fees at all. Like, even if it's like a 0.4% fee, the big whales are now gonna be buying these ETFs because a lot of stocks, they have fees. These ones, they do not. So BlackRock needs Bitcoin and Bitcoin doesn't need BlackRock. So Bitcoin is gonna grow regardless if crypto grows or not. So that's gonna be the real, difference in the prices. From what I'm seeing, like, there's gonna still be that potential bull run. There's still gonna be all these good news, all this bad news. But what we need to know is crypto really gonna be the talk of the town from a year on out? The importance is Bitcoin really is used now in a lot of countries. It's not like 10 years ago when everybody was telling a friend about it. It's going to grow regardless if we get this spot Bitcoin ETF or not. And that's the real excitement about it. There is so much opportunity going to be happening in the crypto space that everybody is going to be talking about Bitcoin left or right. So if that's something you're interested in, smash that like button and I'll keep you guys updated with more news. Until next time, peace everyone.